Have you ever thought how the parts that you have in your car are made? Perhaps you have engineering zeal, maybe you have already sketched something interesting during boring lecture at the university. For sure you have your own ideas and prototype that could change your car performance, that you could design yourself and then manufacture. I will show you how to manufacture part so you better understand the process and fact that your ideas and design can be implemented quickly and efficiently by our tool shop into your car. The part that we are going to manufacture is cover for the body for bigger project which our design team has been working on for a long time. The bigger project is super shifter with reverse gear blocking. Reverse gear blocking means that you won't throw rear gear going sideways at the full gas. Cover is quite easy part to manufacture. We use Fusion 360 for design and manufacturing. This program is easy to operate, like iPhone. And if you want to try it, it has 1 month trial version. Our cover has 2 mounts, with 2 bases and total 12 operations. I will execute the part on 3-axis milling machine with spindle 10,000 RPM and 40 tooling slots and cooling through the spindle. For the cover execution we will use 6 tools: 3mm carbide drill, 5mm carbide cutter, 40mm milling head, 12mm carbide cutter for roughing and finishing, 12mm carbide chamfer, 2.5mm drill that we will use to make the engraving. As you can see here, the 7 operations, we can make simulation in our program for designing and for machining also. So those are the routes of each tool, and here we can make simulation of each tool, as you can see. So drilling, we drill holes here, then we're making with cutter 5 holes, then rough operation and then grabbing. Yeah, and the same on the other side. We turn the part. We have also simulation here, so we can see what we do. Of course, it's better to see first what we are doing, then to crash or destroy the tool on the machine. Okay, so the part seems to be good and should be performed well. Okay, so guys, now we are going to do this from this. So to do the part we need to mount this block of aluminium in vise. We use some plates here to support the block. So we put the block inside and we squeeze it, and then if we want to do the part, we have automatic probe. So we need to find the probe in the machine. Okay, so now we need to measure the block, or better say, we need to show the 0 point to the machine. So our 0 point is somewhere here, yeah, as you saw in the program. So now we are going to show where is 0. Yeah, and we measure it now, showing machine Y direction, and Z, it's here. As we have all directions shown to the machine, we need to launch the program. So how to do it? We have program in our USB. We are looking for the program, is this one. We give select, we close the doors, and as you can see we have all tools here and G-codes to move the spindle. And let's go! And next to head 40, and we are planning our block.
cutter 12. And the jumper. And grabber. Here we go. Okay, and that's it. We are done. Our part is ready here. Beautiful and shiny first mount. Okay guys, so we have second mount of this part. We need to put the material inside the device, squeeze a little, hammer it. We select the program and we go. That's it guys, the part is shiny and ready.
I hope that after watching my video you guys have more idea how the parts are made on milling machine. Please give me your feedback below video, what you like and what you didn't like. Maybe you have some new ideas what you would like to see from our machine and tool shop. Subscribe and I see you guys in the next video. Peace!